Yeah, man, touch back down in that place you know. Man a millionaire you know. Them a go see what go on.
Yeah, G, so where I go live now?
Right now, straight back in my community me a going to youth. Them a go know say Bobby is here. By the way, where the Porsche dealer there? Cause right now, tomorrow morning buy a Porsche, you know, cause when me drive up in that, you know. Them need to know. Say man, make it.
Yo, you can't go back at the place there, no? You wanna one good idea that, you know, brother? Yo, you're a rich man now, you know, brother. So you better just go live in one of them upper class place there, you know?
Nah, man, if me go them places still, nobody nah see me cause everybody done rich as it. Me not gonna be nobody this man. Me have to go back in my place so them can see and know say, Bobby, make it in a life.
Yo, you can't go there to go hype on poor people, brother. You set up your life, youth.
You chat too much, youth. What you know about place? And my place, man. Everybody want me come back in a youth. This a man grow up, you know.
Me know say this you grow and you want people to know say you make it. But youth, bad mind real, you know.
Me can't just see them face when me a drive up and down in the Porsche, you know. A Bobby that, Panny Black, I drive up the big fat Porsche with two hot girl in the back.
Money well stock and girl just have luck. Girl just have luck, girl just have when they foot touch the ground, them a get heart attack. Put on me shades and me clocks well black. Everybody say, Bobby, me glad you come back. Glad you come back, Bobby, me glad you work, now what time you come back. Jamaica for me heart, so me have to come back. Them a look for me, I must settle like that. Cause when them see me, all them see is just cash.
Some people are gonna happy for you, know, but others can't go stand it, brother.
Me not even want to hear not more from you in a youth. I come like you're a bad man right now, you know.
Hear the man about bad mind. Me know say you're elder and thing, you know. But you have to listen to me, brother, because I fired there for 20 years, you know. Yes, so me live. Me say what go on, you know.
You know, like to see man and level up. I want to your young boy. Go, man.
Alright, brother, go do your thing.
How that boy Bobby feel like? But him a come in and come hype on poor people. What he feel like? When them man did a little boy and I grew up around there, nobody never know them man there, you know. So who him fear come round here, dash with money and a flash and a take away girl them and a go on like him a big man. Can't come hype on poor people. How he feel like?
A true man. Make we go linky boy, no?
I same thing me a pray, you know. Come in, man. Greetings, my childhood friends. What you there with? Hey, boy. Give me everything we have by you right now, boy. How will I go on, so man? Tappy Wally by chatting, boy, before me have to dash your way, nah. How now do this one now, brother? The wall we not come from the same place. A Bobby this in a man, you remember me? How you feel like you come hype on poor people and I take where all we girl them. I dash the money left, right and center, boy. Don't come round here with that, boy. You better empty your pocket right now, boy.
Dash way. Done it, boy.
No, done me. Joe, we know your father when him did alive, you know. Joe, we rate him, you know. That's why I mean, dash way right here now, you know, boy. You better give me that shirt and pants and shoes there right now, boy. You better run from round here now. Come back, you know, boy. We don't want to see you back round here, you know, boy. Alright, me now go come back. Yo, Jano, a true the young boy did a talk, you know. A beer bad mind around, brother. He spent 20 years of foreign and me a come back now to come enjoy my retirement and them a try to kill me. Big millionaire like me in a power walk road like this.
Work, now what time you come back. Jamaica for me heart, so me have to come back. Them a look for me, I must settle like that. Cause when them see me, all them see is just cash.
Oh God, oh.